How to fix Twitch app not sending verification code. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, tap on the application and then tap on app info. After that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on clear data, then select on clear cache. Now tap OK. Then what we're going to do is tap on force stop at the bottom left corner of the screen, then tap on OK. After tapping on OK, we are going to go back to the Play Store application. So just go for Play Store and type in Twitch and look for any availability of updates for your device in the application. Now as you can see, my app is updated, so I don't have the option of update. So I'm going to go back and restart the device now so that I can solve the issue that I'm having of not getting the verification code. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.